What are the advantages and the disadvantages of aluminum compared to the stainless steel in CNC machining? When we design the parts, different materials have different properties, price, and applications, so the materials we choose will also be different. Today, we will analyze the advantage and the disadvantage of these two materials in 3 ways. First, application. Aluminum is light and suitable for the lightweight products with good thermal conductivity, but inferior to stainless steel in terms of the hardness and the pressure resistance. For example, now, here is the stainless steel material, and it has 99 grams. And this is the aluminum material, but it only has 95 grams. And this one, the aluminum one, is bigger than the stainless steel one. It is lighter than the stainless steel. Here you can see the difference. Second, price. Aluminum is easy to machine and the machining cost is low. Due to the material properties of stainless steel, the machining time and the difficulty are higher than aluminum. So the cost is also higher than aluminum. Third, appearance. Aluminum can be made with electrophoresis and spraying, analyzing, and other methods to enhance the surface texture and the color diversity of the parts. Widely used in 3C, telecommunications, aerospace, and other fields. However, stainless steel had a better corrosion resistance, wear resistance, heat resistance, glossy, and also be painted with PVD or brushing or other surface treatment. Hope this can be your reference. That's all for today. If you have any questions related to CNC machining, please leave a message here. Thanks.